No, ma'am.
Good. And when she said, "Well, don't we have to say the whole sentence all by yourself?" Fun. Fun? I wish it was fun in the sun. Fun in the sun. John digs in the sun. Keep on saying sun. John digs in the sand. John will run and jump. Run and jump. John Daddy, what are you doing?
Nothing.
John had fun. You're not supposed to tell me. She said it was a test. It's hard. I know it's
Yeah,
hard.
Mom, stop helping her out. She can do it.
The sun.
Yay! Good job. Good job. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Layla can read. High five.
Baby.
High five. High five.
Play
No.
high five.
High five. Not for high five.